welcome back to AFT 24/7 Noida. Today is the third day of Global Fashion and Design Week Noida, and today we have with us Juhi, who is modeling for this evening's Fashion Week. So, can you please, fill us about your experience on this entire event?
So, thank you so much for having me on board. I'll start by saying wearing all the mehnat and all the hard work of students makes me feel wanting to just showcases more and with the more positive attitude and the confidence that is in me. It makes me feel like I'm back to my college days. That's why I feel I should put in more energy, more energy, more energy. So it's just a never-ending thing that keeps on hitting me hard because I feel they have been putting too much of mehnat in that, and I really need to give it back, like very strongly. So I would say it's nostalgic plus beautiful in all sense, I would say. So it's great. It's a great feeling walking the ramp for them. So it's cute.
Do you think that fashion is evolving over the years, and in which sense? Is it in a good sense or in a bad sense?
I think in the sense of acceptance. So fashion is more about how you experience yourself in terms, because that can vary person to person. It's more about if you feel good in a specific baggy jeans, that's your fashion. So for me, fashion is more perspectual thing, more of it's mine and it can be worn by everybody. So it's a neutral thing.
Reflection of personality, you can say.
Sort of. That is what fashion is in real. You totally get it.
So, what is fashion for you? Like personally, how would you define fashion if we say yes, this is what fashion is for Juhi?
So I love it. I love the question. I would say fashion for me is whenever I'm just feeling the outfit. If I am wearing a pajama, I have to feel comfortable. If I'm wearing a jeans, I have to feel nice. And if I'm wearing or wanting to wear a dress, I have to feel myself, and particularly that. So fashion is just in sort of feeling myself and expressing and consisting my energies into me. So that's all.
It was really nice knowing your point of view, your take on the fashion, and it has been great talking to you, Juhi. And to watch more such videos on the updates of Global Fashion and Design Week Noida, please keep watching AFT 24/7 Noida. This is Vedika with camera person Lishika Sharma.
Hello everyone, welcome back to AFT 24/7 Noida. Today is the third and the last day of Global Fashion and Design Week, and now Miss Khushi Sharma has joined us, who is showcasing her designs today. So can you please tell us something about your designs you are showcasing today, Khushi?
Country is Philippines and inspiration is Philippines Eagle. So our collection is inspired by that. And the theme is bleaching. The theme is visual art actually, and we show about by bleaching effect through the spray, all related to the eagle through there. Like our main garment is the trail one and the wing one.
So was there any difficulties and challenges while preparing for this the designs?
Actually, the main challenge is to set the wings on the back because वो set नहीं हो रहे, वो स्टेबल नहीं हो रहे उन बैक, वो गिरे जा रहे थे. तो आज मॉर्निंग में ही वो शिफ्ट सही हुए थे, तब जाकर वो सेट भी हो गए, वरना नहीं हो पाते.
Lastly, how did the faculties and the teachers help you and motivate you throughout the process?
Teachers very much help in the feathers one and the bleaching effect. She and he, all the teachers told me place the main fabric here and do bleaching by spray, and then we got the effect of the bleach as much as possible.
Thank you so much for talking to us. I wish you all the best. This is Swam Jyoti Dalpat with camera person Rohit Chaudhary of 24/7 Noida.
Hello and welcome to AFT 24/7. This is the third of the 9th Global Fashion Design Week, and today we have a very beautiful designer with us, Twinkle. Hello Twinkle.
Hi,
Twinkle, which country do you represented today?
I represented the country Oman.
Oman. And what was your design and what was your inspiration behind?
Yeah, so I chosen the inspiration that is a desert, a Wahiba sand. So I basically used all the color palette according to that Wahiba sands, and also I chosen the theme work that is pottery cut work that I had in my collection, and yeah.
Okay. So what was your color palette?
My color palette is like the color of the year Mocha Muse color. something related to browns and something related to the colors of the pottery also.
Okay, and what was the design like? It was thread work or embroidery? What?
Okay, yeah, it was a Kardana work with a little thread work also, embroidery. Yeah, I used Kardana, and also I had used the laser cut technique in the garments also. Yeah.
Okay, and how much time did it take to complete the designs?
It takes 1.5 months to complete all the designs. Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much. And for more such videos, keep watching AFT 24/7 Noida. This is Lishika with video journalist Rohit Chaudhary.